Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's barbecue topic will be cheese. I will cover 2 recipes with cheese filling and hope at least one will be appealing to you. Let's get started. Cut off the head and half the jalapeno. Then place the jalapeno flat side down. Use the sharp knife to cut surrounding the inner parts to remove the seeds. Look, the seeds are easily to push out. I picked mozzarella cheese sticks for the filling, but feel free to experiment with other types. I cut the cheese sticks slightly smaller than the jalapeno to easily put it in. Then I wrap the jalapeno with the bacon twice. Connect the 2 jalapenos and the skewer is done. I highly recommend you buy whole milk mozzarella cheese to get a cheesier flavor and creamier texture. The first dish is done, jalapeno cheese bacon skewers. The next recipe is boneless chicken wings cheese skewers. This is my favorite one, but the preparation will take a little bit more time. But hey, nothing can stop us to eat delicious food, right? To debone the chicken wings, we will need a pair of scissors. I use the scissors to cut the meat along the wings bone. To remove it from the joint, pull the skin down and cut the connective tissue. Deboning the chicken wings is quite a lot of work, but the good thing is that it reduces the cooking time and the meat becomes more tender and juicier. Here I have 2 pounds of chicken wings. To season the wings, we will be using 1 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, half teaspoon sugar, 1 teaspoon cayenne pepper, half teaspoon cumin powder, 1 tablespoon white wine. Rub the chicken wings until it is mixed thoroughly. Set the wings aside for at least 1 hour. Same as the jalapeno bacon cheese skewers, I will use mozzarella cheese sticks for the wings filling. Cut the cheese sticks slightly smaller than the wings, then squeeze it inside. We will use 2 bamboo skewers to secure the wings. Use the bamboo skewers to pierce the wing on one side. Make sure that the skewer goes through the cheese. Repeat the same step on the other side. That's it, the boneless chicken wing skewer is done. Set up the grill on medium-low heat. Place the bacon cheese skewers and the chicken wing skewers on the grill. Cover the lid. After 8 minutes, flip the skewers and cook for another 3 minutes. Lastly, add in a lot of honey. Then it's done. Alright, the barbecue grilled cheese skewers are done. Make sure to eat it while it's hot. The combination of bacon, jalapeno, and cheese is amazing, and yet the skewers are easy to make. The chicken wing skewers is extremely tender and juicy, while the outside is crispy. With the creamy molten cheese inside, you will have so many pleasing texture in just a single bite. This is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and thank you for watching. See you next week. Bye!